In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Uniswap. First, it's important to understand one thing. You do not send USDT directly to Uniswap itself. Uniswap works by connecting a crypto wallet, so the correct process is to send your USDT from Binance to your Uniswap wallet, or to another wallet that you will connect to Uniswap later. In the Uniswap wallet, you can open the Receive section to view or copy your wallet address. Next, open Binance and go to your USDT balance. Tap Withdraw or Send, choose On-Chain Withdrawal, then paste your wallet address from Uniswap. After that, select the correct network very carefully. Binance says the withdrawal network must match the receiving address network, otherwise your funds can be lost. Before sending the full amount, it's smart to do a small test transfer first. Once the USDT arrives in your wallet, open Uniswap, connect that wallet, and then you can swap, bridge, or use the funds inside the app. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.